Circles pictured have the same center C. Chord AD is tangent to the inner circle B. AC is 10 and chord AD has length 16. What is the area between the two circles? So we know that chord AD is tangent to the inner circle B, and then AC is 10. So we can write 10, and then chord AD has a length of 16. So this whole chord is 16. And since the triangle has a right angle, this triangle is also a right angle. And then since this whole length was 16, these two triangles are congruent, so their lengths are just equal. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. And then to figure out this side, we have x. And then if we draw the triangle here, we have 10, 8, and x. And then we can see that if we divide 10 and 8 by 2, we get 5 and 4. So we have a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. And since this is 3, and we divide it by 2 to get to this length, we can multiply by 2 to get it to the original length. So 3 times 2 is 6. So we have x is 6. This is the radius of the inner circle C. So the radius of the small circle is 6. And then we're asked to find the area between the two circles. So we have to subtract the area of the large circle, so the big circle, which we can write as C1, and the small circle, which can be written as C2. And then we're finding C1 minus C2. And then we have C2 has a radius of 6 and C1 has a radius of 10. Since this length is 10 AC, and that can be the radius of the circle. So the area of circle 1 is pi r squared, and then r is 10, so we have 10 squared pi, which is 100 pi. C2 has a radius of 6, so it's 6 squared pi, which is 36 pi. And then we're finding C1 minus C2 as the area. So 100 pi minus 36 pi equals 64 pi. So 64 pi is our answer.